Hi guys, today I'll show you how to make pumpkin and beans curry. This is a dish from the South Indian state of Kerala, where it's called Mathanga Payar Erissery. Mathanga means pumpkin and Payar means beans. Saturday is Onam, which is the biggest festival in Kerala. This curry, along with a lot of other curries, are served at a huge feast at this festival. It's a simple dish and you can make it pretty quickly. There's so many curries to make for Onam, and it can be labor intensive and take up a lot of time. So I like to make this curry because it doesn't take up too much time. On the day of the festival, every household makes a colorful arrangement of flowers on the floor. This is mine from last year. I just used the flowers I could find from my garden. Some are dried and some are fresh. I'm using black-eyed peas in this recipe because they're my favorite. You can substitute red beans or another type of bean. Here's a piece of pumpkin that I got at my local Indian store. To cook the pumpkin, we'll need ground turmeric and a little chili powder. We'll also need grated coconut, fresh or frozen, cumin seeds, and green chilies to puree. For tempering, mustard seeds, dried red chili, and curry leaves. I know it's hard to find curry leaves if you don't have an Indian store nearby, so you can leave it out if you absolutely cannot get it. I have a small curry leaf plant that I bought online, and it's still growing nicely by a sunny window. If you want to grow this plant, I'll put a link so you can get one. It'll be in the recipe link below the video. First, we'll cut up the pumpkin. Cut it into 2 pieces so it's easier to handle. Take the peel off. Then cut into cubes. We'll be mashing some of the pumpkin, so don't worry about each piece looking perfect. Put the pumpkin in a pot, a little salt, ground turmeric, and red chili powder, some water. Cover and cook until tender, stirring occasionally. For the beans, you can cook dried soaked beans or use the canned cooked beans like this. I'll go ahead and drain the beans. I've rinsed them. Put them aside until the pumpkin's done cooking. Now we'll blend grated coconut with cumin seeds, green chilies, and a little water. The paste should be thick, so add just enough water to blend. Here's the smooth, thick paste. Now the pumpkin's cooked. Mash some of the pieces. Add the drained beans and a little salt. Stir, cover, and cook for 5 minutes on low heat. Now add the pureed coconut. Cover and simmer for 2 minutes. Once you add coconut, you don't want to boil it. Taste and adjust the salt if you need to. For tempering, heat up oil in a pot, and when the oil's very hot, add mustard seeds. They'll pop all over. It's best to angle the pot so the seeds are sitting in oil and they won't go all over the place. Add the dried red chili. Swirl it around and turn the heat off. Now take the curry leaves off the stem and put it in the oil. It will splutter, so again angle the pot. Some people like to add grated coconut with the tempering and brown it. So you're getting the coconut paste from the fresh coconut and the taste of the toasted coconut. The coconut paste is enough for me, so I usually don't brown it, but you can definitely add the coconut and brown it if you wish. Now pour this right over the curry. Mix that in. Now if you want it to smell even better, add a few drops of coconut oil. Stir it in, cover the pot, and let it sit for a few minutes. It's ready to serve over rice. I always cook the rice before cooking the pumpkin, so both are ready at the same time. I hope you'll try this simple curry. It's easy to make and healthy. share this video, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.